Oo, tama. Hindi pa nabubusan. Ulitin nyo na.
Feeling good like a facelift, feeling like a kid on a cloud on a spaceship. I wanna believe, believe. Yeah, the sun's coming up in the basement. Only see the gold outside when it's raining. I wanna believe, believe. When I think about my whole life, I don't really wanna waste more time. Only got what I'm breathing, and I need something to believe in. I got something good, something to believe in. I got something good, something to believe in. Got something to believe in, yeah. Days of a brand new start came in perfect time and measure. Grace and a golden heart, how we've thrown our arms around you. Saints through an endless sky.
This may not be something you... Ay, this... sorry. Isa pa.
Glory, we bask in the sun. How you've put your arms around me.
Baon-baon ko lahat ang itinuro niyo sa akin ni Papa simula bata pa ako at dadalhin ko lahat yon sa next chapter ng life namin ni Bay.
How thankful I am to you guys. You showed us the true meaning of a happy family. Kayo ang tunay na superhero namin. Love, Tikboy.
Sabi mo.
Made for the worthy cause. Praise when it crashes down around here.
Tito Jenson, thank you for coming into our lives. Maraming salamat dahil nadagdagan ako ng tatay na itinuturing ako na parang sariling anak.
Thousand songs in your ways. Time has only just begun here. Heard gathered in song.
Dapat nating alalahanin kung gayon na ang pag-aasawa ay itinatag ng Panginoong Diyos alangalan sa kapakinabangan at kaligayahan ng mga tao na kaniyang dinala. Itinuro ng Panginoong Hesukristo na sa pagkakasal ay pinapagsasama ng Diyos ang lalaki at ang babae upang maging isang laman lamang.
Ayun, super happy ako kasi happy ka. Kasi natagpuan mo na yung makakaintindi at magmamahal. Salamat sila na Ay, nangangatal na ako.
Congratulations, Kuya Wise, ha?
Salamat. Maraming salamat.
Kapatid na Bien at kapatid na Yuel, kung ang lahat ng mga kautusan ito ng ating Panginoong Diyos na ngayon ay itinatali at ibinubuklod sa inyo bilang pag-asawa, ay buong ingat ninyong ibuhay at isagawa. Ang pagsasama niyo bilang pag-asawa ay magiging matagumpay sapagkat malalasapin ang mahalagang basbas at pagpapala ng Panginoong Diyos.
Time is hungry like a wolf. It's natural like the blood red moon. Bring your body close to me.
Hi love, konting sandali na lang at makakagraduate na tayo. We
Yeah.
work so hard to make our dream wedding and reality. Mostly ikaw, hehe. And I really appreciate all your effort.
This may not be something you want, pero I believe bilang may edad na tayo, ay need mo na din to. Ha ha ha. I love you. I love you, Bobby. See you later.
Pwede ipakita?
Dive into me like some great lake, moving me.
Dito lang kami lagi. Dito pa rin kami lagi.
I know.
Huwag lang lagi-lagi. Lagi lang.
Kayo yan dalawa ni Mama. Kasi naging superhero kayo sa amin.
Even though we plan this meticulously as much as we can to make sure that everything is right, I know there is someone missing in our wedding to make it perfect. And I know this is not enough to make up for him. But I hope this can somehow help fill up the missing piece. A little something to make you smile and little something to make you laugh. Always keep it near your heart. See you in a bit. Love. Bye.
When your heart stills in your chest, when your tongue is poetry, speak in the night to the blood red moon, hold that moment close to you.